Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 12. How to use CB Engine. In this video, we will see how you can use CB Engine step by step. So let's get started. So we are on cbengine.com and this is its homepage. Here it says the top ClickBank marketing website. Here you can find ClickBank products that sell and you can go pro for $27. Below we have products they highly recommend promoting and a list of all their recommended products. Or you can search for products from this right Find Products panel. They also have vendor lookup here. Or you can also find products from here Find ClickBank Products section. Here we have categories like CB New Products, CB Best Gains, CB Top Gravity, CB Insider, CB Reviews, CB Relisted, CB Recurring, CB Removed, CB Categories, CB Vendors, CB Statistics, CB Payouts, CB RSS Feeds, Affiliate Tools. You can choose accordingly, but we suggest this CB Top Gravity option. Click on it. Here we have a list of all products sorted by gravity. You can see the first one has gravity 455.65 with rank 1, along with other details. Similarly, we have details for all the products and in info, we have this Visit Website button. Click on it to visit the product's website. So this is the product's official sales page. Back on CB Engine, in info, we click on this product info button. It will take us to the product info page. Here you can see the product's name, summary, website link, etc. A little below, you can see more details like gravity and how much it could increase, referred percentage, commission percentage, average percent per sale, average dollar per sale, and more information. Below we have their popularity proof along with its category and a visit website link. To search for products, go to this right Find Products panel and enter your details. Choose a category, then subcategory, ranked in, keywords, newer than, pay more than, order by, select gravity here. Then group by and click on this search button. So again we get all the products sorted by gravity. Let's select the category as health and fitness, and subcategory top only and again search. Now you will get all the products in health and fitness niche, again sorted by gravity. Here you have earn percentage, average dollar per sale. Let's change gravity order by descending and search. So now we have got the highest gravity on top, after setting its order to descending and it's decreasing along with the list. So this is how you can use CB Engine. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 13. How to promote products on Amazon. In that video, we will see how to promote products on Amazon, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.